Yeladim Shel Kayitz, so Barzelai, my dance, children of the summer. We begin on the line, right foot, 3 steps, and then 2 crosses. Together, and 1, 2, 3, cross, cross. Sway back, turn to the left, and go backwards on the line. Inside, open cross, sway, turn to the left, continue to the left, sway, face the center with a clap. So we finish with sway to the left, and clap, high. We continue to the side, step behind and forward. 3, and step behind, step forward, step, touch, left, do the same, step touch. The second time step touch finishes with face on the line and we begin the dance again. In the second time, we begin the chorus. We go outside, step behind, together, and step behind outside, step behind inside, turn to the right, and go inside 3 steps. Back, 2, 3, left, cross, 2, 3, 4. In this part, it says, Yeladim Shel Kayitz, לא מפחדים מפה, children of the summer are not afraid before. Okay? Again, let's do right shoulder up. 3, and step behind 3. Step behind 3, turn to the right, go inside, 1, 2, 3, back, 2, right, 2, 3, straight, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the second time we're doing almost the same, but it's going on the line, and without the hands to go up. 3, and right, 2, 3, left, 2, 3, turn right, and continue forward on the line. We go backwards on the line. 1, 2, 3, left, cross, 2, 3, 4. And we finish with both times that we finish with the left, we finish facing the center. Final part, instrumental, in and back, and then we push inside. 3, and 1, 2, 3, and push inside. 1, and sway, half turn, face out, the same, right and back. Push outside, right and back, left shoulder inside, mind, 2, 3, 4, sway, sway, left shoulder outside, sway, sway, and then everything is ready. So this is a reminder, when we finish this instrumental, to do the mind inside. After this, we need to keep the left inside, and then it goes like this. After this, we finish the instrumental, we begin to dance again, and that's it. It goes twice the same. Yeladim Shel Kayitz.